So guys, hello, now I'm on the street and I connected the camera to the microphone to the camera. So to repeat, we have Insta360 X3 and the DJI MIC Mini. I'm on the street now outside and let's listen how it sounds on the street. So now is the visor open, and now I make it down. So we're going now 80 kilometers per hour, and now we are 100 kilometers per hour, and now we are 115 kilometers per hour. And as you hear, my helmet is very loud. Okay, so I go a little slowly. See on yourself, you can hear how good or how bad it is. So I think I would